Hi, I'm Shelly and I'm going to decorate my renovated camper for Christmas using only thrifted items. The reason I'm using thrifted things is because I love thrifting. The reason I love thrifting is because I am an ex-shopper, I guess. When I was in high school, I loved shopping, and then I went to college and realized that shopping can be a bit wasteful. Not that I never buy anything new, but I realized that my actual shopping instinct would be best diverted into thrifting, where I'm not creating any waste when I go shopping. Especially with something like holiday decor that I don't even remotely need, I definitely would choose thrifting over going to a store. I generally prefer thrifting anyway. There's the thrill of the hunt, it's way cheaper, and obviously better for the environment. Before we get into the Christmassy stuff, let's talk about what items I have that are already thrifted in the camper. The kitchen actually has a lot of thrifted stuff. We have this basket here that I'm using as a hanging fruit bowl. All of this stuff, all of these kitchen utensils, these spoons, pancake flippers, even the bamboo ones, these are all from the thrift store. I also thrifted a bunch of other things for the kitchen, like these pans, strainer, mixing bowls, Tupperwares, things like that. Oh no, there's nothing thrifted in the bathroom. Okay, here's something thrifted. This picture frame. Here's another thing thrifted. This basket. I didn't do a very good job in the bathroom. Most of that stuff I had to buy. Over here we have a thrifted pillow, which is not very Christmassy, so I'm going to remove that. We have the basket that I used for my DIY lampshade. And coming this way, we have project me and my dad are working on. Over here, we have a thrifted picnic basket, which I just love. And that's always nice to have in a camper. These placemats were also thrifted. These pillow covers I did purchase, but inside the pillow covers are thrifted pillows. Thrifted basket, thrifted placemat, thrifted mugs, thrifted plate, thrifted spoon, thrifted pretty thing. I don't know what you call that. Lastly, I thrifted that pot up in the corner there, this blanket on the back bunk, that storage basket there, that basket light there, that throw pillow there, the throw pillow inside that cover there, all of the bedding on this bed, including the pillows, and that storage basket. Please ignore that light dangling. It's dangling because me and my dad are working on fixing that. And one of my best finds at thrift stores lately was this cover for the jackknife sofa. This has worked out so well. It's the perfect size. I love the thickness. Well, it's not the perfect size. It's almost the perfect size. Here's my list of the very best things to look for at a thrift store for a camper. Number 1, baskets. That's so pretty. Number 2, kitchenware. Especially spatulas, pancake flippers, silverware, that sort of thing. One of the most fun things to go thrifting for is mugs. Our mugs is mugs. Our mugs, anyway. These are pretty much the exact mugs that I would have bought from Target or some other place like that. I love this like brown, I love this speckled look. It looks kind of old-fashioned, and they're just like these really nice ceramic, and look, $1.99. The last best thing to get at a thrift store is bedding. I don't know if some of you think that's gross or whatever, but I hope you know that if you've ever stayed at a hotel, it's exactly the same thing, so you know. Now, let's examine these thrifted items that I picked up just recently in the last week or so. I think I went to 3 different thrift stores, which only took me a couple hours. And it was a very fun couple hours. Pine. Here's all the extra decorations I've been accumulating from thrift stores over the last month or two of occasional thrift store trips. Now I'm going to go through a couple of things that I made as decorations, or things that I picked up from thrift stores that I destroyed and remade into something else, or altered in some way, via the magic of DIY. I saw garlands of wooden beads at the store for sale, and I thought, why would I buy that? I have wooden beads laying around from my macrame Etsy shop, so I just made a quick little one. I guarantee you a 4-year-old could make this. This is one of those embroidery hoops that are all the rage. I'm getting a little sick of the embroidery hoop look, but I think if I put something over the bottom here, it'll look cute. All I did to make this was take a piece of thrifted lace and put it in the embroidery hoop. Simple, simple. While I was on a walk with my toddler, I decided to pick up every piece of pretty greenery I came across on the sidewalk, and I'm going to use it for my decorating. I also found this beautiful yellow blanket. I'm not sure if I'll use it or not, but it's here if I need it. Thanks for joining me while I decorate my renovated camper for the holidays. I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you want to check out any other videos I've made about the renovation process for this camper, they're all linked down below. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. Bye.